Alright guys, I think we should check the oil on this thing. Let's not talk about my hood opening situation. What I got. So, BMWs have some pretty weird dipsticks. They're not like the traditional metal kind. So, what you can do is learn to read them. So, obviously, you just have to figure out where it's at. Kind of looks like a rocket ship. So, what we're gonna do, we're gonna wipe this guy off real quick, just like you do with every car. Drop that guy back in, all the way down. Give it a second. Car's been sitting for a little bit. I just ran it, so you know it's up to temperature. Then you pull it out, and you can see we are shiny at the very bottom. You want it between those two notches. So we are probably about a quart low. And you know, if you want it to be at the top fill line, then maybe 2 quarts low. So I'll probably grab some oil for this thing. But yeah, the top notch to the bottom notch is like about 1 quart, or should I say 1 liter. But that's a really easy way to tell. They look kind of strange compared to normal ones, but they read exactly the same as the ones with dots. They just have, you know, little dashes instead of the traditional dots on the metal ones. So, hope that helps somebody. Not too hard, just have to know what you're looking for. Yeah.